Welcome to Optifarm. Let's explore what the Optifarm data can tell you. The home screen provides an immediate overview of productivity, health, husbandry and body rhythm. It also includes daily consumption data, giving a comprehensive snapshot regarding the status of the farms. Diving into consumption data identifies sites with reduced intake. Clicking on the bars reveals locations with less consumption compared to previous days, helping to pinpoint reduced consumption issues and areas for improvement. Clicking on the individual house data will also open a water graph showing yesterday's water overlaid on the day before. If we then focus on the home screen dials, the inner numbers on the dials indicate any movement in the score since the previous day. These metrics are designed to track daily changes in productivity, health, husbandry, and rhythm. The numbers within the arc itself represent today's actual score for each metric. These figures provide today's snapshot of your farm's performance, allowing for quick assessments and understanding. By clicking on any of the 4 service dials, you next select the farm or farms and time interval you want insights for. This feature allows you to tailor the data insight to your specific needs and gain deeper understanding on specific topics. The Pulse section identifies productivity challenges on farm. By pressing on the individual bars, you can dig deeper into the data, revealing events linked to productivity downturns during the selected period. A text summary explains the findings as well as revealing the actual data. Guardian helps to identify locations where health-related events have been detected via our data. Acting as an early warning system, it allows you to interrogate each site and scroll down for daily trends and more specific health insights. Stride provides information regarding the staff performance on farm and the quality of animal care being delivered. By clicking on bars, you can see which sites receive the best and poorest care, offering a detailed view of daily trends and individual site standards. Rhythm reveals what routines the animals are living by. Animals thrive when their routines match their natural biological clocks. Scrolling down the Rhythm Insights section explores daily trends and compares individual locations for a deeper understanding. Optifarm serves as an intelligence hub accessible on your PC, phone, or tablet. This flexibility ensures you can receive farm data insights anytime, anywhere, enhancing your ability to make well-informed decisions. Visit www.optifarm.co.uk.